In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate QR codes to your Canva design. We'll walk through this together step by step, so even if you're new to Canva or to QR codes, you'll be able to follow along easily. All you need is a Canva design open on your screen, and we'll add a QR code directly into that design. First, make sure you're on the main editing page of your design in Canva. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar with different options like templates, elements, and so on. In that same toolbar, look for the option labeled Apps. It usually has an icon that looks like little squares grouped together. Go ahead and click on Apps. This is where Canva keeps a lot of its extra tools and integrations, including the QR code feature we're going to use. Once the Apps panel opens, you'll see a search bar at the top or near the top of that panel. Click into that search bar and type in the letters QR. You don't need to type the full phrase QR code for it to show up. Just QR is enough for Canva to filter the available apps and bring up anything related to QR codes. After you type QR, you should see an option appear called QR code generator, or something very similar. This is the built-in Canva app that lets you create a QR code directly inside your design without needing any external website or tool. Move your mouse over that option and click on it to open the QR code generator. From here, Canva will prompt you to enter the URL or web address you want people to visit when they scan your QR code. This could be your website, an online store, a sign-up form, a social media profile, or any specific page you want to link to. Take your time to make sure the link is correct, because the QR code will send people exactly to whatever you type in. Once you've entered your link and generated the code, Canva will place the QR code directly onto your design. You can then resize it, move it around, and position it wherever it makes the most sense visually, like in a corner of a flyer or near a call to action on a poster. And that's it. By clicking on Apps, searching for QR, and selecting the QR code generator, you've added a functional QR code right into your Canva design.